Good morning, Nudie Legs. Hi, little legs under there. How are you? Are you just hanging around this morning? Yeah. What do you got going on in that world of yours? Show us how you can use the rattle. Oh dear. Life's rough this morning, hey? What's in front of you? What's in front of you? Show me how you can spin Froggy. Spin Froggy. Oh, or spin the sun. Are you going to spin the sun? There's some funny noises coming out of that mouth this morning.